Spectrum is a full-service commercial printer. 1997 was our first year. My parents told me of a printing company that was going out of business, and I was looking for something to get into, something to start. So we bought it and all the equipment, and about a year later I discovered that we've got to get rid of everything and start over. If we're going to do it, we've got to do it and do it right. The thing that seems to be the most difficult and becoming more and more desired is the speed, the turnaround that people request. So we're trying to basically build it for speed. Well, in pursuing all the different technologies and this automation's coming in, it's solved a lot of problems for us, but it's also created others. We use preps for imposition. We use Rampage for our RIP system. We have software running our presses from Komori, the K-Station. All of those have solved a huge need that we have to speed things up, to make things a lot easier and run more smoothly with us. Now the problem is, how do we get them to all talk to each other? When we were looking for to upgrade our MIS, we had a system that was, our estimators loved it. It's very fast, very efficient and quick, but the problem was that that's all it did. And as we wanted to upgrade it and take it a little bit further, it was a dead end. Everything that your company is going to be capable of, a lot of it's determined by that MIS system, because it is the hub of what's communicating with all these machines that we're buying, with all these other partnerships that we're getting. So there has to be, I think, a big comfort level there.
We do our estimating and we do it in Avanti. We send that information out and now we automatically create a job ticket where we used to do it manually. And then that information is automatically sent into electronic prepress. So now they don't have to import that data. It's done one time on an estimate. And then that, of course, follows through to CSR, then moves to electronic prepress, then out to press, and then through bindery to delivery, and then out the door. There's just a multitude of benefits that happen when you're not repeating that information over and over and over again. Avanti is the mothership that runs Spectrum's productivity.
One of the primary benefits that we've seen from automation is happy employees and happy customers. I think the timing and the speed of what we're able to do with the same amount of employees. We need to have all the computers talking to each other as the way to communicate as the company grows. Avanti has provided that for us. I know what we want to be, I know what we're going to be, and I'll make the investments necessary to make sure that we get there. There's a better way to do everything, and I think the technology has really opened up the world of what we can do to make it better, to make it faster, to find that better way to do it. Because I think the future, with the price pressures that are going to be placed on all of us and the time pressures that's going to be placed on all of us, you're going to have to be there, I think, to be around. And we're trying to get there before we need to be.